once rightly said, educating the mind without educating the heart is no education at all. So, ladies and gentlemen, hold your breath of knowledge as we are going to bring you an electrifying and sensational event, Eduvision 2021. Let's watch out for the sensational temperament of the Oxfordians.
Hi friends, good morning. Have you ever wondered where the rain comes from or how the clouds are formed? This is about water cycle and my exhibit. Well, let's explore. When the sun heats it, the rivers and oceans, water becomes water vapor and it rises up in the air. This process is called evaporation. It is the first step of water cycle. When the water vapor reaches up in the sky, it turns into tiny droplets of water. And along with dust particles and gases come together to form cloud. This is called condensation. When the cloud becomes too heavy and it cannot hold any more water inside, it bursts open to give out rain, hail or snow. This process is called precipitation. Acid rain, water gets collected in oceans, lakes and rivers and it even seeps through the soil and becomes groundwater. This process is called collection. Thus, water cycle is a continuous process of evaporation, condensation, precipitation and collection. Thank you.
Good morning, respected teachers and dear friends. My name is Aisha Mashran from class 1C. Today I want to share with you my experiment, how plants take up water. As we all know, plants make carbon dioxide, water, sunlight and nutrients from the soil for photosynthesis, which gives us oxygen. So the materials we need for this experiment are some white flowers, three vases of water, red food color and green food color. Now I add the red food color in one vase. And then I add the green food color in the other vase. Perfect. Now I add one flower in the vase in the normal water and I add two other flowers in the vase of red color water and I add the other two flowers in the green color water. Now we have to wait for one day to give time for the flowers to take up the water. Now after one day, the flower in the normal water remains white. The flower in the red colored water has turned into red. The flower in the green colored water has turned green. How is this possible? It is possible because there are small tubes inside the stem of the flower which the water travels upwards.
Good morning everybody, I'm Hiranmay of grade 2B. Today I am doing a science experiment, that is singing ketchup experiment. For that we need a bottle full of water and a ketchup packet. First we need to unscrew the cap and fold the ketchup packet and drop into the water. Now screw the cap. Make sure you have to screw tightly. Now you can see the ketchup packet is floating. Now when I squeeze the bottle, it starts singing. Now when I again leave, it's floating. Now when I again squeeze, it's singing. When I again leave, it's floating. The science behind this experiment is the lower the volume, the higher the density will be, and vice versa. When you squeeze the bottle, you are actually compressing the air bubble in the ketchup packet into a smaller space. Therefore, the volume decreases and the density increases. That's why it's singing. Now, when you leave your pressure on the bottle, the air in the ketchup packet starts expanding. Therefore, the volume increases and the density decreases. That's why it's floating. Thank you. Bye bye. I'm Aisha Khadija from grade 3B. I'm going to demonstrate rainwater harvesting. Every year, lakhs of liters of water wasted and polluted. You know, water is precious for our ecosystem. I'm going to show Save the Water. It is called rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is the collection and storage of rain from a roof-like surface and redirected to a tank and using for our various purposes like watering plants, washing cars, washing utensils in kitchen, etc. Imagine rainwater falling and collected in rooftop. From this rooftop, water collected and filtered in storage tank and supplied water to plants.
Wow, incredible. The young ones are really talented.
Hello friends, good morning. Today I am going to make a density tower. My aim, compare density of different things in my home. So for that I take rocks and sweet honey and dishwash gel and water and coconut oil and kerosene and plastic ball. This is my baby brother's plastic ball. Let's start. First we will put 2 stones. That is the higher density thing.
This is honey.
Honey. Next, I will take dishwasher gel in the bottle slowly. oil. Next, I put kerosene. We will put small balls. Look into my density tower. Thank you. High density will sink and low density will float. Thank you. Hi, I'm Ishani Ashwin, access to C. Here I'm going to start. Formation of carbon dioxide. First of all, we need balloon, baking soda, and vinegar and a bottle. First, we need to fill the baking soda in this balloon. We need to take help of our parents. Close the bottle with balloon like this. Slowly put baking soda and vinegar. This is because of carbon dioxide. Thank you everyone. Bye. Hi everybody. My name is Inna PK. I'm studying grade 1B. Today I'm going to do rainbow walking water. So we need 7 clear cups. Then we need some water. Then some tissue papers. Then we need food colors. We need red, blue, yellow. First, we should pour some water. Now let's add red food color. First into last one. Now let's add yellow food color. Now let's add blue. Now we need 4 tissue papers. Then we should put like this. Now let's put for 2 hours. what our cups looks like after. Now we got colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, red. They are called rainbow walking waters. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Naira from grade 1C. Today I'm going to do a traveling water experiment. For that we need 8 glasses and fill each alternate glasses with water. And we have to mix it with colors. The colors are red, yellow, blue and red again. Now we put tissue papers into it like this. Now we add it like this. And here we add another one. And again one. Now another one. We add another one. And now we wait for the colors to get mixed into these cups, the empty cups. We can see that the water have traveled through the tissue papers and filled the empty cups. In this cup, we can see there's orange, and in this cup, green, and this cup, violet. This shows that when you mix 2 primary colors, you get a secondary color. Thank you.
Oh my god, we have a positive mind, positive vibes, and positive life. It's truly incredible.
Hello everyone. My name is Arman Moth. I'm studying FS2A in Oxford School. Today we learn body parts. This is our head. And this is our eyes. This is our ear. This is our shoulder. This is our hand. This is our stomach and chest. And this is our leg. And this is our hair. This is our nose. And this is our teeth and mouth. And this is our hand and elbow and knee and foot. We have 5 sense organs: eyes to see, and nose to smell, and tongue to taste, and ears to hear, and the skin to feel. Thank you.
Mohammed, studying in Oxford School. This is my project, respiratory system. Our lungs helps to breathe in oxygen and give some carbon dioxide. This is diaphragm. Diaphragm helps to breathe in oxygen. Our lungs.
Good evening to the principal, the HOS, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. Today, science is my topic, and today I will be explaining that candle flames, for the burning of candle flame, oxygen is required. So, in this project, I will be taking ENO, which is which will be the main important item in this project. A candle, a glass, a lighter, and some water. So, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. First, I'll take a glass, pour some water, then take a candle, light it up. Okay, so most of the things are done. Now I'll be breaking this or tap this. Keeping it here. Now put some candle wax into this water in the glass. Okay, it's done. Now I'm going to light it again. I didn't want to release wax in this table, so I blew it off. Okay, now I'm going to put some ENO into the water. It will rise up in a bubble and it will create carbon dioxide. And when I keep this candle inside the glass, it will be blew off. So here we go, starting to bubble up. I'm going to put the whole thing. Then I'm going to put the candle in here, starting here. So this was creating carbon dioxide. When I kept the candle inside the glass, the carbon, because there's no oxygen surrounding inside the glass, it blew off on its own. So this was my project. In this, the conclusion is that a candle flame needs oxygen to burn. Without oxygen, it does not burn. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Razan and I'm studying 8th standard. Today I'm going to make an experiment called fire in hand. So to make that we need a cup, a glass of water, a bowl, a spray. You can choose any spray, no problem. And a shampoo, you can choose anyone, no problem. Anything. Last but not the least, we need lighter. To do that, take a cup of a glass of water, pour it to the bowl. After that, take the shampoo, pour some shampoo. After that, mix it with your hand. Then take the spray. So there will be lots of bubbles. So take the bubbles in your hand. Then take the lighter. Voila. I will show you again. Thank you.
That was indeed a lovely one. Let's move on to the next one.
Hey all, today I'm gonna do a science project and I'll be making a solar oven. So friends, I'll be making a solar oven with a pizza box, aluminum foil and lamination paper. Friends, as you can see, I've modified this pizza box into a solar oven. So now let me explain how I modified it. This is a pizza box and this is the top lid. And I've cut a flap of the top lid. I've coated the flap and the inside of the pizza box with aluminum foil. As the top lid have a hole after cutting the flap, I've covered it with lamination paper to protect the food. Now keep a stick like this so the flap remains open. Aluminum foil acts as a reflector which reflects the sun rays and the food gets heated. I've put the lamination paper so that the heat does not escape and is trapped inside. Cardboard is a very good insulator which again helps us to trap the heat. Now our solar oven is ready and let's try it out. First we should keep the solar oven in a sunny area. After that we should open this lid and keep a stick like this. We should allow it to heat for 30 minutes before keeping our food. So friends, our oven has warmed up. It has been 30 minutes. So now let's place the pizza slice. Friends, I'm gonna keep a pizza slice with cheese and chili flakes. So now let's see how much time it takes to melt the cheese. Now let's keep it inside. Now let's allow the oven to heat for an hour, and sometime it might take 2 hours. It's on the basis of the sunlight. So let's wait and watch. So friends, it's been more than an hour since I kept it. So now let's check. So now let's open it. It's melted just perfectly. So friends, we have melted our cheese successfully and it was a very successful project. So thanks for giving me this wonderful opportunity and have a nice day.
Hi, my name is Manha and I am studying in grade 7A in Oxford School, Calicut. Today I am going to do a science experiment named vacuum can experiment. So before we get on to this experiment, I wanted you to know what is a vacuum. Vacuum is the space in which all the matter has been taken out. And now let's see what all are the materials required for this experiment. So the materials required are empty glass, clear plate, colored water, candles, matchsticks or lighter. And now let's begin with the experiment. So first of all, we have to light up the candle using our matchstick. After that, we have to fix it on the plate. We have to fix it on the center of the plate. And then after that, we have to take our colored water and pour it into the plate. And then after that, we have to take our clear glass and place it on top of the plate, on top of the candle. And then let's see what happens. So, as you see, the candle flame extinguishes by itself and water rises up. Now, why does this happen? Fire needs oxygen to burn and candle flame uses all the oxygen inside the glass for burning. After it uses all the oxygen inside the glass, it extinguishes by itself. Now, the air pressure inside the glass is low and the air is lighter. The air pressure outside the glass is heavy and the air is heavier. So, this creates a vacuum and makes the water rise up. Now, the oxygen which is used by the candle flame for burning is replaced by this colored water. And now, why don't we try with 2 candles? And now, as you see, I have placed 2 candles. Both are close enough so that it will fit inside this glass. So now, let's pour our colored water into the plate. And then after that, let's again place this clear glass and let's see what happens. So as you see, the water level is almost same. Now, why didn't the water level increase or decrease even though there were 2 or more candles? This is because the glass which we have used is same. So the oxygen inside the glass will be same itself. So even though it is 1 or 2 candles, the water level will be same. So we can conclude that even though we have 1 or 2 candles or more, if it's the same glass, so the oxygen will be same. Thus the water level rising will be also same. So, and this works in the same way, that is oxygen which is used by the candle flame for burning is replaced by this colored water. So this was the vacuum candle experiment. Thank you.
Hello all, I'm Inam Shivan from grade 6 and I'm going to demonstrate static electricity. Now, what is static electricity? All materials are made of atoms that contain equal number of positive charges and negative charges. Static electricity is an imbalance within or on the surface of all materials. When two materials come together, electrons from one material move to the other material. This leaves an excess of positive charge on one material and an equal negative charge on the other material. When these materials are separated, they retain this charge imbalance. Now, I'm going to show you a couple of experiments to demonstrate static electricity. Now, I have a plate with some thermocol balls, and what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take this spoon and I'm going to rub it into this cloth to charge it up with static electricity. Now wait and watch. Can you see that the thermocol balls are getting attracted to the spoon? Since we rubbed the spoon onto this cloth, lots of negative energy has been made, and these thermocol balls are made up of positive and negative charges. So when the thermocol, different charges attract to each other, but if the charges are the same, they just want to push apart. See? I have a piece of thermocol on my plate, and in between the thermocol, I've kept this pen onto it. Now, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take this paper and I'm going to put it onto the top of this pen. And what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take this pen and I'm going to rub it to this cloth and charge it up. When I'm bringing the pen closer to the paper, it's moving because of static electricity. So can you see now, I'm not touching the paper, it's moving automatically. There's no wind, nothing over here. So in front of me, I have a plate with pepper and I'm going to rub this balloon on this cloth. Now I'm going to bring the balloon close to the pepper, and you can see that the pepper jumps up to the balloon. So these experiments show the presence of static electricity. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.
there is a complete path from one terminal of the cell to another terminal of the cell through the bulb, then only the bulb glows up. The bulb will not glow if the wire is broken. The bulb also does not glow if both wires are connected to one terminal of the cell. Thank you for watching.
Well began is half done. Everyone seems to be eager and excited. So without a delay, let's move on to the next one.
Hi everyone, my name is Mohammed Aftab, studying in grade 4B, Oxford School, Calcutta. Now I am going to show you my e-waste activity. This is a working model of day and night system. What are day and night? Daytime is when you can see the sun from where you are and its light and heat can reach you. Nighttime is when the sun is on the other side of the earth from you and its light and heat do not get you. We get day and night because the Earth spins on an imaginary line called its axis. The Earth not only moves around the Sun in an orbit but also rotates on its axis. This is known as Earth rotation. Many countries are there on this planet. Part of the Earth which face Sun during rotation has day, while the portion on the back side is in dark and has night at that time. After few hours, the illuminated part turns away from the sun and has night, while the dark portion becomes illuminated with the sunlight and has day. This cycle repeats. Every part has both day and night in 24 hours. In Earth rotation from west to east, hence the sun appears to rise from the east and sets in west. Due to revolution, one part of the earth gets more heat and light and has summer. During the period, the part away from the sun receives less heat and has winter during the period. Okay, thank you.
Hi, my name is Cesar Sophia. I'm studying in grade 4B. So today I'm going to do water filtration. So let's start. So first we should cut a bottle into half, a plastic bottle. Then we have to put it upside down. Now let's put some cotton inside. Now let's add some sand. Now let's add some charcoal. Now let's add some pebbles. Now let's add some gravel. Now let's try it with some dirty water. Now let's wait.
So you can see this dirty water has came a fresh water. Difference. Here, gravel and pebbles filter out larger sediment. Charcoal adsorbs contaminates, and sand filter out fine impurities. Here is the clear water, but it is not safe for drinking. We should boil before drinking. Here is my water filtration experiment. Thank you.
Respiratory system. It is the group of organs and tissues that allow to breathe.
Hello guys, my name is Sam and I am from 5th A and I am going to make volcanic eruption. First we need some water. After that we need some dish soap. And mix it well. Then we need some baking soda. And after for that we need some color. And mix it well. And finally, take vinegar and pour.
Wow! Amazing effort and creativity. A cheerful applause for them. Everyone, I'm Mihan from FS1A. This is my counting moral project. Let's see how it works. Number is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Thank you. Morning. I am here, Hamad. 84th and 84th. This is 84th. This is apple. This is green. This is egg. This is cheese. This is fish. This is meat. This is chocolate. This is unhealthy food. This is pizza. This is cola. This is burger. This is cake. This is chips. Thank you.
Hi friends, I am Amina Farha. I am in grade 1B. We have red and blue litmus paper. Now we are going to test some products using this litmus paper to check their acid or base. Keep in mind, acid and base are everywhere in your house, in your food. And acid will turn blue litmus paper to red and base will make red litmus paper to blue. Let's try with baking soap. No reaction in blue litmus paper. The red litmus paper turned to blue because the bathing soap is base. Let's try with Epiphyll. The blue litmus paper turned to red because the epiphyll is the acid. Let's try with turmeric. No reaction in red litmus paper. The blue litmus paper turned to red because the turmeric is the acid. Let's try with baking soda. No reaction in the blue litmus paper. The red litmus paper turned to blue because the baking soda is the base. Let's try with vinegar.
The blue litmus paper turned to red because the vinegar is the acid. Let's try with water. No reaction in blue litmus paper. No reaction in red litmus paper. In water, don't affect in litmus paper test because the water is neutral. Thank you.
Hello, I am Adivasaya of grade 1A. This is germination of seed. Plants germinate from seed. Here you can see two types of seed. Seed germinating and it becoming a plant. You can see the same thing.
Truly amazing. Yes, that was incredible. Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you some science experiments. My name is Aisha Zoya Weiss from grade 2B. We need a glass of water and a cardboard paper. We take a glass of water and then take a cardboard lid or paper. We put the cardboard lid or paper on top of this water and then we slowly flip it. Now when it's stuck, let go your hand from the cardboard paper. See how it happens? I will tell you. The weight of the water supports of the atmospheric pressure. It's important for all living beings. Thank you.
I am Arush Praveen, grade 2B. I am going to make clay. This is corn flour. This is saffron. Mix these two. I will mix these two. Mix it very well. Clay is ready. Thank you.
What is web of life? We know that plants and animals are living things. Soil, air, water, and sunlight are non-living things. All living and non-living things are linked to one another. We all need food to live. We get food from plants and animals. We also need clothes to wear and houses for shelter. When we make a house of cards, each card depends on several other cards to remain at the same position. What happens when you disturb one of the cards? The house of cards will fall down. So we conclude that all living things and non-living things depends one another. Now I'm going to show you things I can't live without. Birds, water, cow, soil, grass, house, plant, sun, air. Birds. Birds like hen can give us eggs and we should eat eggs one day each. Like we can make many dishes with eggs like scrambled eggs, boiled egg and etc. Water. We drink water every day. If we don't, we can die. Cow. Cow can give us milk. Drinking milk every day gives you proteins. Soil. Soil is important because we can plant fruits, vegetables and etc. with the help of soil. Grass. Sugar canes and bamboos grow as grass, and we need sugar canes so that we can get more sugar. House. House is very important to our life, that we need houses to live, protect us from harm, weathers, warm, heat and cold. Plant. We need soil to plant a plant. Yeah. So with these plants, it is really helpful for our life. We can grow vegetables. We need vegetables and fruits and etc. They grow as plants.
Hi guys, today I'm going to make free energy bulb. Having potatoes, one bulb, screw and wire. Also I have hot glue. Friends, do this experiment only with parents. Let's start. This one, my mom is only helping me. Now I'm going to put it in another corner. Now I'm putting glue on the border. Now I'm taking a potato and gluing in the border. And I'm doing to the other. Now the same I'm going to attach to the board. Now I'm screwing the potato. Sorry guys, this is not success for us. Guys, try this and let me know if it is success. Bye.
Technology is playing an increasing role in education. It has benefited the students of all ages, thus making the entire learning process all the more interesting. So let's move ahead with technology. Time, and see for ourselves.
Hi friends, my name is Neela. I am studying in 1st standard grade 1B. I am going to show you today different method of adding numbers. First we can add two small numbers. We need our fingers for that. We are going to add 2 and 3. Take 2 in one hand, 3 in another hand. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is the answer. Second method, adding big numbers. We need a mind and fingers to do this. For example, we can add 8 and 7. Take 8 in your mind, 7 in your fingers. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 is the answer. 23 and 22. 3 plus 2 equals to 5. 2 plus 2 equals to 4. The answer is 45. Now we can also add big numbers using calculators. Let's add 55 and 44. 55 plus 44 equals to 99. These are the different methods for calculations. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, myself Sanha Salim P of grade 8 section A. In this video I am going to show you a simple calculator made with Python. Good morning everyone, this is a simple calculator made with Python. So in this program, as you can see, they are asking the user to enter the operator to use for the calculation. So basically we should give plus sign to perform addition, minus sign to perform subtraction, multiplication sign to perform multiplication, and division sign to perform division. So now let us try doing addition. So I am giving plus sign. And I am pressing enter. So they are asking for the first number. So I am giving 9 as my first number. They are asking for the second number. So let the second number be 8. Okay, so I am getting the answer 17. So next they are again asking for an operator to use. So this time let it be minus or subtraction. So they are asking for the first number, let the first number be 9. They are asking for the second number, let the second number be 1. So then if I press enter, I'll get the solution, it is 8. Then again they are asking for an operator to use, so I'm giving multiplication. So they are asking for the first number, so let the first number be 9. Asking for the second number, so let the second number be 8. Then if I press enter, I'll get the solution. So it is 72. Then they are again asking for an operator to use. So this time let us try doing with division. So here then they are asking for the first number, so let the first number be 9. They are asking for the second number, so let the second number be 3. And if I press enter, I'll get the product, that is 3. And here in this program, if I want to exit, I can press enter. I can press full stop and press enter. Then I'll be exited from this program. Yes. So this is a simple calculator made. Thank you. Hope you liked my project.
Wow, isn't it superb? Our kids are really creative and innovative.
Hello, my dear friends and teachers. My name is Zoya Rupees. I am studying in grade 2A. Today I am to do experiment to check the facts that things lesser than density of water. For this we need 2 glasses of water, common salt, 2 lemons. The procedure of water. So it floats while on another hand and density of lemon in common water is higher, so it sinks. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Obel VM of grade 2A. Friends, today I am going to tell about the different products we get from animals. Let us see what products we get from animals. Animals give us milk. Do you know which are the animals give us milk? Yes, they are cow, goat and buffalo. Do you like milk? It's good for health. We can make many products by using milk. Yes, they are cheese, ghee, curd and butter. All these products are made of milk. Next yummy product we get from animal is egg. Hen and duck give us egg. Egg is good for health and rich in vitamins, proteins. Animals give us flesh. Do you like meat? Very yummy. You can see the animals give us meat. It is goat and prawn, fish, hen and duck. All these animals give us meat. The next is wool. Which animal gives us wool? Yes, it is sheep. Sheep give us wool. What we wear in cold winter? We wear woolen clothes. In cold season, we wear woolen clothes. From sheep, we get woolen clothes. Next important product is we get from animal that is leather. Do you like to wear leather shoes? They are also animal products. We get leather from, we get skin of camel, buffalo and snake and also goat. This belt, shoe, bag and purse are made of leather. Don't kill the animals for leather. Should only take the skin of dead animals. Next are lovable pets, dogs and cats. Dog, it guards our home. Cat, keep the mice away. How did this horse, donkey, elephant and camel helpful for us? They carry people and things. These are the animals. So these are the some of useful animals. And these are some products. And these are some of products. Bye.
Hi friends, today I'm going to show you
Faiza of grade 6. Today I am going to present a candle burning experiment. So the things needed are a plate, some water, a glass and a candle. This happens when the flame uses up all the oxygen in the glass, the candle goes out. This causes the air to cool rapidly and causes condensation to form on the inside of the glass. Both of these variables create an area of lower air pressure inside the glass as compared to the higher air pressure outside the glass.
That was tremendous. I am speechless. I don't have enough words to express my appreciation.
Hello friends, my name is Kian. Today I'm going to do a science experiment. What will happen if I break this egg? It will break. So I'm going to make it bounce, like a bounce cake. Now I have vinegar here, so I'm going to put the egg inside. Let's see. And now I'm going to pour some vinegar. And let's pour the vinegar. Okay. Now I'm going to wait for 1 day. After 1 day, we are going to see if the egg is bouncing. Okay, bye. I think now the egg is ready. So I'm going to slowly take it and wash it properly. Now I stop washing the egg and let's see if it is bouncy. Now it is a bouncy egg, guys.
Today I'm gonna make Project on Seasons.
My dear teachers and friends, wishing you all a very happy new year. So today I'm going to explain what is photosynthesis and how it works. What is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is a chemical reaction happening in green plants to produce glucose from water and carbon dioxide molecules in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. The photosynthesis process produces oxygen as a byproduct, and this oxygen is released to the air. So I have prepared a model of photosynthesis, so it will be easy for you to understand what it is. Here you can see the picture of a plant. This plant absorbs the water through its roots. It gets the carbon dioxide from the air. Here you can see the picture of the sunlight falling to the plant. These green leaves will contain chlorophyll. In the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, the chemical reaction happens to convert water and carbon dioxide molecules to glucose and oxygen. This oxygen is released to the air. So the photosynthesis is important for the living beings because it's the number one source of oxygen on the planet and the main source of food for the living beings as well. I hope the explanation is clear for you all. Thank you.
Hello friends, today we are going to see about seeds of germination. I taken a topic, germination of seeds. All seeds need oxygen, water and correct temperature. This helps to germinate. Let's have a look at my project. Come on friends. When a seed is sown into a moist soil, it begins to grow. This process is called germination. A tiny root grows downwards and a shoot grows upwards. This produces a seedling of a plant which ultimately grows into a new plant. After some time, the plant bears flowers. The flowers produce fruits, and fruits have seeds in them. By natural or man-made process, these seeds are sown into the ground again, and that is how new plants are born. Thank you.
Superb! Isn't it creative? Yes, I do think so.
Hi friends, this is Landry of grade 1A. Today I am going to show you types of houses. This is Kaka house, this is Paka house. Kaka house is not strong. Paka house very strong. Roof of Kaka house is made of dry leaves. The house is made of cement and bricks.
Today we are going to learn about this project. It's called photosynthesis. Plants need sunlight, water, carbon dioxide to make their food. So this process is called photosynthesis. Plants have leaves, branch, roots, and stems. In the tiny leaves, in the tiny holes, are called stomatodes, which absorb the carbon dioxide. The roots absorb water, minerals in the roots. They go into the leaves. The leaves have chlorophyll. In the chlorophyll, they turn into green color in their leaves. The chlorophyll makes carbon dioxide and minerals and water to make it turns into sugar. Sugar and oxygen using sunlight. Sugar is plant's food. The plants give us oxygens. Have you ever seen that plants breathe just like humans? It is called photosynthesis. Thank you.
My name is Mia. I'm studying Oxford School, Calicut, 2nd grade. Now I am presenting here a small experiment related to the density of matter. We require 2 glasses, 2 eggs, and fresh water and small cup of salt. First, we need to take 2 glasses and fill water. Afterward, take salt and put in 1 glass, 2 or more tablespoons. And mix. And take 2 eggs and put in each glasses. And you can see what is the density of matter. Observation of this experiment is egg added to fresh water settles to the bottom of glass, and egg added in salt water it floats. My finding from this experiment is that when we added salt to water, the density of water increased more than X density. That is the reason why egg floats. Thank you for your valuable time.
Hello, my name is Mohammed Pattur, grade 2B, Oxford School, Calicut. I am doing an experiment, pressure. I have here a bottle and a sharp knife and some water. First, you need to take the bottle and make some holes. But I already made one. Thank you.
Fantastic. Now let's move on and see what we have next.
Hello everyone, I am Veda Ajit from grade 1C. We are a part of a big and beautiful universe. Lot of things happens in a universe. Today I am going to explain about solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. When moon comes in between earth and sun is called solar eclipse. When earth comes in between moon and sun is called lunar eclipse. Let me show you by the model. The bright one is our sun. The white with grey spots is our moon. And the blue-green is our mother planet Earth. As you see the sun rays hitting the moon to reach Earth, you can see some part of Earth is dark because of moon's shadow. In this position, when moon comes in between Earth and sun, is called solar eclipse. Now the Earth moves in its orbit. As you see the sun rays hitting the Earth and to reach moon. The moon is dark because of Earth's shadow. This position when Earth is in between moon and sun is called lunar eclipse. Thank you. Hi everyone, my name is Zahra Abdul Alim from grade 1C. I'm going to explain about our Earth. Let's start. Our Earth. We live on our Earth. It is just like a huge ball. This is a globe. It is the model of our Earth. It has two parts, land and water. Water covers most of the Earth and land covers a small part of the Earth. The rainbow part shows land and the blue part shows water. We should not pollute our Earth and we should protect our Earth. Thank you.
Hello all, I am Rowan. I am studying in grade 4. Today I am going to make water dispenser. First we need a cardboard piece like this, and take one cardboard piece and put it on the middle. Then we need a bottle and a straw. Then we have to fill this water bottle. Then we need a glass. Then we have to put this glass over here and take this bottle, put the straw inside here, and when we open, the water is going. When we close it, it will stop. Then when we open this water bottle's cap, the water will go. See? When we close it, it will stop. Thank you all.
Hi, I'm Lian. I'm studying grade 5A and today I'm going to show air pressure experiment.
The things needed for the experiment: one candle, a container, a water, food color, and a glass. Now we can start the experiment. First we can pour some water to the vessel. Now we can put some food color.
Now let's see what happens next. The burning candle heats the air above. It includes the air that goes inside the glass. Once the glass is standing on the plate, the burning candle uses up the available oxygen in the glass, then goes out. As it does so, the air in the glass cools. And as it cools, the air pressure in the glass falls below the atmospheric pressure. Water is drawn into the glass until the pressure is equalized. When we measure the air pressure, the surface of the earth, we literally measuring how much air is above us. If the air pressure falls, there is less air above us. If the air pressure rises, there is more air above us. The relationship between pressure and temperature is very important. As the temperature falls, so does the pressure, and as the temperature rises, so does the pressure. That means that air moves up in the atmosphere and the pressure falls because there is less remaining atmosphere above its temperature has to fall. As well, typically, the atmosphere is about 6 degrees centigrade for each 1000 meters you go up. So the tops of the mountains are much colder than the valley below.
This is my experiment. Hope you all like it. Thank you.
Keep going. Looking forward to more innovative ideas.
Hello, I'm Fatima Muhammad from grade 6. Today I'm going to show you and explain you what is separation of substances. Before beginning, I want to tell you some needs of separation of substances from a mixture. So there are 3 needs: to remove harmful substances, to use useful components, and to remove harmful substances. You all know what is separation of substances of mixture, the needs. So now let's move to methods of separation. Start with hand pickupping. So I have a mixture of rice and mold. This is called hand pickupping. Next is winnowing. We are going to do sieving. So in this experiment, I have stone and mud and sieve. Now the mud is in the container and the stones are left behind in the sieve. There is separation of substances from a mixture. Now we are going to do separation of insoluble substances from a liquid. We have mud and water. Now we are going to do how this mud will settle down. This is called sedimentation. After sedimentation, we will be doing decantation. We're going to do filtration. For that, I'm using cloth. I don't have filter paper. I can see mud are left behind in the cloth, and the clean water is in the container. I'm going to do separation of liquid from a solid. So in that, I'm adding sugar into the water. I'm going to say what is sedimentation, decantation, filtration, and filter paper and evaporation. Sedimentation. Sedimentation is a process which the mud or a solid part settles down in the water. It's called sedimentation. I'm going to say what is decantation. The pouring of clear liquid to the another container without disturbing the sediment part is called decantation. Filtration. The process of separating insoluble substances from a liquid by using filtration is called filtration. Filter paper. A filter paper is a special paper which have millions of tiny holes in it. Evaporation. The evaporation is a process of changing liquid into a vapor is called evaporation. I hope you all enjoyed. You can also use these methods at your home. So bye.
I am making the model of chloroplast. I have cut the coconut and I am painting it with green colored fabric paint. Now I am going to cut the thermocol into small circles and going to put small green dots on them. Now I am going to glue these circles onto the coconut shell using hot glue. These circles represent thylakoids. I am going to be connecting these circles using green colored sticks. Chloroplast is the plastid in green plant cells that contain chlorophyll and photosynthesis takes place. They also have the ability to trap energy from sunlight. Chlorophyll is the green pigment in the leaves of a plant.
Hello friends, today I am going to do an experiment on density of different liquids. Take some water in a glass. Now we can add some honey to this. We can see honey settles down in the water. Because of honey's density is greater than water. See the two layers. Now we can add some oil to this. We can see oil floats on the water because oil's density is less than other two. See the three layers. Now keep it aside for 15 minutes and stir. Next, put a bolt into this. We can see bolt sinks down in the honey. Because of bolt's density is great. Now put a grate to this. We can see grate sinks in water and floats on honey. Now put a piece of thermocol into this. We can see it floats on oil. Its density is very less. See, various things have different densities. Hope you like this experiment. Thank you.
Hi friends, I am Raya Zubair. I am studying in 2C. This is my project. Plants are very important in our life. This is a process of photosynthesis. It is the process in which green plants use sunlight to make their own food. Thank you.
Wonderful. A huge round of applause for bringing out a unique concept.
Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. I am Sheikh Hamdan bin Muhammad from grade 3A. Today, let's discuss about science behind animation. Animation is the art of drawing movement. When we present still images in fast successions, the viewers see them as a continuous image. In simple words, when we take lots of pictures and move them very fast, we see it as a video. This is called optical illusion. This is how animation, movies and projection works. We generally give 24 frames in a second. There are mainly 3 types of animation. The first one is 2D, which is also known as hand-drawn. The second one is 3D, which is also known as computer graphics. And the third one is stop motion animation. So I'll show you to make you know what 2D is, I have a small device. This is a holder and these are the still images. In this image, in this grid, a dot, and I have drawn some dots and lines. And the opposite side of it, there is a man trying to jump using a parachute. Now, this is a plain grid. And this is a creature trying to eat a nut. Let me assemble my device. I fix these discs on the holder and I fix a reflecting cup like this. Now when I'm turning it, you can see the creature eating the nut. Now I'll show you another disc of the man jumping using a parachute. Now look, the man is jumping using a parachute and trying to fly. Now I'll show you another disc which is having a plain grid. When you move this reflecting cup, you will feel nothing. I'll show you. You feel like the grid doesn't move. So friends, I hope you all understood what I told today. Thank you.
The water cycle. The water cycle first is evaporates. evaporates is we call that evaporation. Then condensation. Then precipitation. Then transportation and percolation.
Hi everyone, I am Afrin from grade 6. Today I am going to present a photosynthesis model. Photosynthesis is process of making food by plants. This is how it works. The sunlight from the sun and the carbon dioxide from the air, water and minerals from the soil gets to the plant and the plant releases oxygen. Oxygen is really important for us. This is the way plants make food. This is why photosynthesis is really important. Thank you.
My name is Ajad Ali. I am studying in 2C. My water dispenser. I make for this distribution. I show you this coming water. Look, coming water. Finish.
Coming together is a beginning. Keeping together is a progress. And working together is success. Yes, this is what we have all seen here. Thank you for being a part of this wonderful evening.
Hello friends, my name is Zahman. I am from first standard B. Today I am going to show you lava lamp experiment. Take a bottle and take a cup of 1 cup of oil and pour it to the bottle and take a half cup of water, pour it to the cup then take food coloring and put it 2 or 3 drops. Now then take aspirin tablet and put it. We just saw lava lamp experiment. The oil stays on top because the oil is lighter than water. When we add tablet, it reacts with water and create bubble. The bubbles go up because it is lighter than water and oil.
Hi all, my name is Izan Abdulaziz. I am in grade 1B, the Oxford School Calicut. I am going to talk about day and night. When the one part of the earth is facing to the sun, it will have day. And the other part of the earth, it will have night. I'll show you. This is day and this is night. When we rotate this is night and this is day. Thank you.
Do you know the air has weight? Today I am going to prove it. Hello friends, my name is Avra and I am from grade 2C I'm going to do a science experiment. Air has weight. First, the rock has weight and a glass of water has weight. Everything around us has weight. Let's start. The materials to prove the air has weight: 2 balloons, 1 paper straw and a thread. I'm going to blow the balloon. Now I blow the 2 balloons. The 2 balloons condense air. Now we are going to tie it with the thread and the paper straw. Now I am going to tie the balloons. Now I tie both of the balloons with thread. Now I'm going to tie it into the straw. Let's hang it somewhere. The both balloons have same amount of air. Let's remove the air from one. The balloon having air comes down than the other one, because the air in this balloon has weight. Thank you, everyone.
Hi, I am Aisha Mehta. I am in grade 2C. I am in Yellow group. And mine is breathing system. This is the nose and this is the 2 lungs. And we breathe, it will dilate and come. Like this.
There is more to witness on this platform. See you tomorrow, same time, on our education channel. In the sphere and the place that counts. Keep watching.